And today, special thanks to our friends at Supcase, who were nice enough to send us their Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. And I, of course, have a nice little Z Flip 6 dummy phone here. So let's open this up, see what we're working with here. All right. Love how compact it is. That's it for the box. So here is our little case, a little warranty card, instructions for removing the protective foam. Oh wow, look at that. It even has a clip. What? That is freaking amazing. I love that. I personally have always loved phone clips. This one is rotatable either way, so you can have it that way, or I guess that way, or you can have your phone like up and down, but love that it comes with the clip. That's my favorite. And then here is the case. So wow. So it looks like it's actually pretty easy to slide on. Let's peel off our bit of plastic here. So there's actually a little bit of stickiness here, which is made so this can kind of slide into there like so. And then of course the bottom just kind of essentially pops on as well. This whole case kind of just pops around. There we go. And so now, look at that. That is such a unique little amazing design. So if we really wanted to, we have a kickstand here, so you can fold out your phone, set it like this, or even like that if you want. And of course, when you don't need that, you can just put that away. You've got your little fingerprint reader here, volume rockers, there's a little Supcase logo there, and everything is nicely protected for you. This looks amazing. Like, wow. That is, I don't know which way to put this. Let's do that way. So that is a look at this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 Unicorn Beetle Pro case from our friends over at Supcase. Thanks again to Supcase, who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.